Hey, peace and blessings to you. My name is Andrew Kennedy, and in today's quick social media tip, I'm going to briefly go over 3 ways your ministry can use Instagram. All right, so number one, it can be very beneficial because you can use Instagram to drive more traffic to your ministry's website. Okay, number two, you can use Instagram as a way to create and share inspirational faith-based content that is, you know, unique to your ministry. Okay, so number three, you can use Instagram to bring more awareness to your ministry. So all these things are important ways that you can use Instagram as a way to grow your ministry's online audience. Okay, so I hope that you got a lot out of the quick social media tip. If you want to take your ministry's online presence to the next level, then I suggest that you book an appointment with me. Yes, book an appointment with me, and we can have a strategy session together. All you have to do is go to www.quicksocialmediatip.com. Yes, www.quicksocialmediatip.com, and it's going to take you to my calendar, my e-calendar, where you can book a time to meet with me, and we can go over your social media challenges. And I'm going to, make recommendations on how you can take the next steps to take your social media presence to the next level. All right, so if it's in the Lord's will, I look forward to speaking with you then. God bless.